We get a ton of questions about the scheduling of embassy appointments, especially from countries like Mexico, like Australia, like India, that are very big countries, and they have multiple U.S. embassies or U.S. consulates within the same country. The thing about spouse visas and fiance visas is that in most countries in the world, even when they have several locations for U.S. consulates, they usually only process spouse visas and fiance visas at one of those locations. So in the case of Mexico, unfortunately, they don't actually process fiance visas or spouse visas in Guadalajara. I mean, there are lots of other types of visas you can get there, but just not those. And so they schedule everyone for Ciudad Juarez. They do thousands of interviews a day in that particular embassy. So it's not possible to move it. The good news is that if you on your when you were filling out your I-130 or your I-129F, if you have put an embassy in there that just won't work, the government's not going to set you up. They're not going to set up an appointment at a place they can't give you the visa. They'll just correct it for you. So that's what happened in this case. You asked for a place where you actually can't get the visa, and they said, no, you actually, I think you mean this, and they gave you the right one. So that's a good thing. So there's no way to move that. You just have to make plans to be able to travel when your travel date comes.